Hello there. My name is Arvind Sabani, as most of you may know, and I run this very interesting event company called Zero in Management Private Limited. I also am the CEO of Team.i, which stands for the Entertainment and Media Institute. Today I am here with a very interesting person, and her name is Trupthi Govinda.
Hello there.
Hey Trupthi. So Trupthi has been a student of Team.i, and tell us more about that journey, Trupthi.
Exceptional. I enjoyed my way. It was 4 beautiful months of my time. Learned a lot, and it was a it was a revelation to the event industry.
Super. Trupti, let's go back maybe 2 years, 1.5 years from now, and tell us what were you doing then and why event management?
Okay, I was working for a corporate, like everyone else, very boring, and event management was always my passion, and that's what led me to Team.i. I did my research. I got into Team.i, and yeah, here I am today planning this wonderful event.
Hey, so we are at this absolutely fantastic venue, and there's a setup going on behind us right now. And this, I understand, is Trupti's event. And this may be the sixth or the seventh event that Trupti is doing. And Trupti, tell us more about this event. What is it? What is your role? How have you been able to manage to put together such a large event, considering that you have just about completed a course at TMI?
Okay, lot of questions. Let me break it down. So this is a New Year's Eve party that's happening here. We are here at SKN Club, and this event has been planned for almost about a month and a half now, and I was solely able to put this event together because of the knowledge that I got from Team.i and the wonderful teacher Neeraj, who shaped and molded me, to take on this such a huge event at like 4 or 5 months of my education. So yeah, that's what is happening, and we are having a wonderful DJ night with peppy music. Awesome.
Super. So I liked that term solely. When Trupti says solely, that means that she has put together an event which is going to have about 800-900 people. And it's a pretty large setup for somebody who is just spent about 4 or 5 months, as she says, into the field of event management. But Trupti, tell me about the events and the journey. And yeah, Neeraj, thank you, Neeraj. You're a great guy. Uh, Tell me more about this journey of this 4 or 5 months, and how did this course in TMI actually help you A, get a job, B, able to solely do an event of this nature?
Sure. So I would like to start with me interacting with Hari, who handles Team.i students and everything. So I had a 1 hour, not even 1 hour, 45-minute call with Hari, and I was so impressed with what Team.i has to offer in a tenure of 4 months for a student who takes part in this, that I immediately signed up and then started my journey with Team.i. So it was a online course that I took, and it was a weekend course. I used to spend 2 days of my week there, Saturday and Sunday. So since I was working simultaneously, I was able to very well manage, because Team.i is so supportive, and they make it so interesting that the assignments and the internship that happens along with it, it's all so interesting that I never felt that it's a burden, and I enjoyed my journey throughout it. And yeah, solely I could be able to pull off this event because of the knowledge and teachings of Neeraj, and of course my boss Arvind here. So they kind of shaped me from my brain freeze zone from the corporate, and they opened my mind to this event industry, wherein I kept open minded to learning everything and just applying what was being taught in my classes. That's the beauty of Team.i curriculum. It's not just theoretical, it makes you apply things, and that's very much needed in any kind of industry, and specifically in event management. So yeah.
Super, Trupti. I like the getting rid of the brain freeze. I really love that term, brain freeze. Yeah, for people in corporates, brain frozen. This is the place. That's what Trupti says. But tell me, Trupti, you did a online program at Team.i. Uh, how was this online program? Because online program doesn't sound something that is related to event management, right? Tell me a little bit more about the online program, please.
Yeah, I understand your question, Arvind. Being always the regular schooling background, full time, I was a little skeptical about opting this part time online program. But I must tell you, I think in the first two classes itself, that hesitation or that skeptical doubts, whatever I had, went away because the classes happen on this amazing platform called Zoom, wherein you have the video chat between the teacher and you happening, and we get to share screens, we get to watch videos. It's more than regular schooling, and I was so comfortable. I'm sitting at the comfort of my home, and listening to this best of lectures, which are not actually sounding as lectures, it's most of experience sharing. It's so much interactive, and it makes you think, it makes you introspect, and that's what actually helped me figure out my path. So yeah, online means it's on a amazing platform, Zoom, where I never felt the lack of regular classes.
Superb. That's absolutely fantastic, and we are extremely proud of you, Trupti, and I must say that. On that note, we will sign off. I am Arvind Sabani, and we run Team.i, the Entertainment and Media Institute. We're the only institute in the country that teaches only event management. And I'm going to repeat that one more time. We are the only institute in the country that teaches only event management. We have three courses. Our flagship course is a certificate program in event management, which is a 1 year full-time program which is at our 7-acre campus which we have tied up with DNA Entertainment India Limited. Okay, apart from that we run a ECK program, okay, which is the event career kickstarter program, okay, which is a 4-month online program. And apart from all of this, we also run a 2-year MBA program which we have tied up with the University of Kaziranga, right? So there are three programs. You want to be an event manager, you know where you have to be. Thank you. This is Arvind Sabani from Team.i, and I sign off.